Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox Error 524. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, to fix the error code 524, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to Roblox and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come up to the top right-hand corner. Click onto this gear icon to bring up this menu and come down and click onto Settings. Now on your settings, there's a couple things you need to do. The first thing you're going to want to check and make sure is that you have verified your age. Also, you want to make sure your account is a 13 plus account, an adult account. Another thing you need to do is come over to this menu on the left-hand side and click onto Privacy and Content Restrictions. In here, what you need to do is go through each of these options and make sure that each option is set to everyone where it's applicable. So for example, if we click onto communication and then experience chat, you can see we got some options for everyone or no one. What you want to make sure is these are both set to everyone. And then you want to come to the next one for party. Make sure this is set to connections or everyone. And then you can go back and go through the different options. For example, visibility and private servers. Again, you want to make sure this is set to everyone, and just keep doing this until everything is set to everyone. Now, by doing this, this should resolve the error code 524 in Roblox and allow you to now join experiences without having the error codes come up. And that's it. So that is how you can fix Roblox Error 524. So that's all for this video. Thanks.